See if we can see the old weather up there. 53. Wow, it's way warmer than I thought it was. Alright. So, got a lot of things planned next year. Want to hit the Dells. Yeah, Hayward. That would be a little bit longer for looking at fish statues. I don't know if anyone's even interested in that. Hey, bitch. No idea what time it is. There's a bank around or some shit. There's a bank right there. With no fucking sign. I need this line. Since the weather's a little nicer out now, it's not so fucking goddamn cold, I'm gonna go sorta putz around, have a good time, enjoy my stick of butter here. Come the fuck on, let's get. Oh dude, that is way better, man. Huge difference. And now it's cold again. Gonna be going through La Crosse downtown area. Shit, yeah, buddy. It is a pretty fucking good looking time of the year. Yeah, the leaves are changing colors, and kind of nice to get that in a downtown setting too. It's a little more common that I'd show some fucking super back road shit. Yay, traffic. I used to take drum lessons there. And I think guitar lessons. Yeah, I took guitar lessons there too. And another spot as well. Shit's changing around here. This wasn't here a couple years ago. Oh my god. Use that hoe. Yeah. It's nice leaving the dealership and not having to scrub in tires. I'm going real slow. Oh, I think they did get rid of that bluegill statue. Hey. I love following behind garbage trucks. Hey, nice two wheels. Started. Just fuck off. Don't die, please. Please. What the fuck are you doing, dude? What the fuck? Yeah, that was a good idea doing all that. Good thinking, guy. So this here is fucking public hunting land. How in the fuck? I mean, at least for bow and arrow, you can't fucking shoot an arrow through fucking brush that thick, dude. I mean, if you do, it's a fucking goddamn miracle. I've never gotten a deer before. I've gotten plenty of squirrels, but yeah. Anyway, for the deer scenario, I always fucking have shit luck, dude. And all of a sudden a deer walks along by and fucking stops right in front of me and shit, and I'm all like, damn, that's right there. I do like hunting and fishing though. But anyway, I'm heading out in that direction. That will be a nice dual sport road right there. Got a little RV campground here. Yeah, last time I was here was some peeps, so I didn't really get off the bike. I could even, I don't know if I want to bring Betsy out on the fucking dock. Could maybe. As you can see, I got the old halogen back in. It doesn't look as good, I know, but it's more practical for night riding. Even though I won't even be doing that anymore till probably next year. It's too goddamn cold, dude. Alright, so get one more view here. Oh yeah. Check it out, dude. So I do want to kayak. If I ever do get one, I'll let you guys know. I'll definitely bring the GoPro with me and have a couple of adventures out on the water. Do some kayak camping. That is something that I've been interested in for a while. I think that'd be pretty fun, to be honest. It kind of keeps you solo, but I think I've never gone solo camping before, but that is something that I want to try to do. Some primitive solo camping. So here's the tree tunnel. It is pretty goddamn twiggy. I don't think YouTube's gonna like this back here. Maybe if I keep my head extra still. Oh yeah, that maybe helped a little bit, but keep my ass in the sunlight, dude. Yeah, I work third shift, so it's like 1 in the morning for me, basically. So, I'll see you guys later. I gotta go to fucking bed here soon.